You can't sneeze with your eyes open, why? Hello everyone! Today we will talk about an interesting fact that you cannot sneeze if you deliberately keep your eyes wide open. When you feel the urge to sneeze, the brain will signal the respiratory muscles to expel air. At the same time, the brain also activates an automatic blink reflex to protect the eyes. If you try to force your eyes open, the brain will automatically suppress the sneeze reflex to avoid damage to the eyes from the powerful exhale. Therefore, you cannot force yourself to sneeze with open eyes. This is a very clever self-protection mechanism of the human body. I hope you have learned more about this fascinating topic.